Mama kwa ba kesi be famra Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonjumedi so dia o kan se ho sempa esa kana no pe so ja me di Enoch kwasi walanyo wala sagudi catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al Regional Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono kwanten credit small do esa kana no pe so biu e wo Ghana gudim eja so no so say game park games the chacha so kuna etia samba weekend the boys D and nyasam keto fa ho gym e betia boa the eagerly anticipated pick one game no and aba with a bank but more than that so do betia sa gym choose your favorite number no from 1 to 36 now we're taking we ready for the excitement Mr. but more than that say ubetimi esa twa 1 Ghana cedis an kopem 350 Ghana cedis ubedi 26 times to stake na boa e maniama etian ku edi amount na ubetia dial star 946 hash all networks na fe so wetimi asa download www.gamepackgames.com now them pay for etian cedis also ye ni kan se draw na ba so Adom TV so anopa no nkron ana fe awiakata ban so be se premtobre na fe no nsia so no etimi asa ba so anwumre to ani anopa ubetia de awia wani awia so ubetia de anwumre na boa e maniama etian ku edi amount game pack games or more mula, more power. Omna touch the power bomb and so you see, and so it's major. National Lottery Authority phone paying for touch. Unim referring was chair and found Jimmy Sansa Chacha Diwa. Why Jenny Betia Bomutim Betia Sansa when Betia Prus with Betia Kokokra, Asa Countiana, or the Adrenica Crasso at me at home. Sounds so Anna Kingdom Heba, or more as the Kingdom Home Estate in Sweaty Saba, Home Estate, no, so Tia Bridge organ up and down Papa Pity and Satodia, but so a building with a modern touch and a day amount. You to be careful in each Kingdom Home Estate. Bitia Shabwa, Emaniama Etian Kuyi Ediamount. Edano, Yaman modern touch na face require affordable and so a one facilities any camper a was serene atmosphere na face so a high standard security CCTVs and so a surroundings in na face your light and you can so standby generators so and if pipe in the see about our more than that so do any bet the Kingdom Home Estate in painful between weddings so now also Etian Saturday be any can be only say Oko Botanical Gardens a few minutes drive now do any Sancha so motivos ebeho na feso safari very resort so be hotete kwachi memorial hospital enso be ho a pomodon sem na toba ha na se wote Kingdom Home Estate and tempa no obetimi akope oyarehwe na boa emaniama etian kukuyi ediama obetimi afrom na nempemfo etimi disa so we kropon right after Latte Junction sabetia kan Kingdom Home Estate obetimi afrom 0536149961 0536149961 na one Kingdom phone pay for entry komo Kingdom phone pay for see nya outside upon don sem hinti asa the Kingdom garlic bitters aba na fe Kingdom garlic air capsules untimi enu bitters na no me capsules ni bi aguyam ebetini aboa ama yade ahodo a eba within no eprempremu na achi na manema etian koye demam Kingdom garlic bitters eduno ano enam a build immune system no and afen so low blood pressure teteo cholesterol na afen reduce sugar level no omodin dan so kra fat na anasanwa na adoro ubojemu a eno so eyifri o se kama edema doni din e the Kingdom herbal bitters and afen Kingdom garlic capsules and medi wadan se dem no yasa the new Kingdom ginseng power capsules aba we memedru mesel omodin da sexual weakness na teteo ba da hoyi wodi ante sa na ade ache mesel bonsanka Kingdom ginseng capsules bi betia boa space if your mental stress na fe more power extra hiwale wo boy dwuma e dia kopem se wankasa wo so obekasa wabreso mse obomode da so wo sabeka new Kingdom ginseng power capsules bi no so betia boa e maniama etia ko yedi amount e ma nso di ni e the tremendous capsules aba tremendous capsules na boa pa ekua na no da chairman betwemu no o ma bioye ina ne se enka epiye no nani anje ho opeso ahemfio no eche na so twan sasanti eche menken a tremendous capsule doi eboa prapro ahemfio eboa meho anika ema chairman ba okaso ntia boa obetua mo ho omodin da anybody order betua saton kwanta pa a tremendous capsule mane do no mema ne toma ma na ebeje anom aboa ama wo so pomodon sem so etimi akoye Kingdom capsules and afen so Kingdom new Kingdom ginseng power capsules no ni na ho a wo de wani kire o kan shi dragland sabeti aka Kingdom no papa bi na wetimi ato e ka Kingdom a jeme so se no challenger edit pen o enroyim na fedansim ene elbow adwuma pint so na wo de wani etimi asa kire ho na yensha sientem paso fa fi EPL matches out with 10 mu Chelsea Sheffield United twemeka menu entimi ensima da braka Liverpool and Manchester United 90 minutes of soccer fiesta ekoye 0-0 Arsenal Brighton and Hove Albion 2-0 Sarkins na fe West Ham United Kudus Mohamed West Ham United utimi sampa nyama ekoye edema Kudus but oba Blasters agos we no na aka kwantu nyame adoma ebitwa ticket amasa agos this season na African Cup of Nations no watimi abehye bio yemra Spanish La Liga ne Spain fo so ni Valencia for ne Barcelona ebo 1-1 na Atletico Banaba omcha Atletico Madrid etwam 2-0 ewo akensi hwagro so ewo hanso ewo Spain Mountain so ne de kakra enso ebre no but yen komuna no fie da matches na hyase e Ghana Premier League no yete ato Ghana diem Bechem United na Sabina Stars wo mo che Bechem United etwam 1-0 ewo akensi etwen san to dwanim na hye no so me se matches no etwen san to aso bio meme da Nations Football Club ne has of folk ebo 1-1 and also hwema na say 90 minutes plus 4 ana Richard and so ebete ka Hamza Isa akazo folk abranti o she 9th minute goal no o she ma no it has and a share first ana Nations for ebete ka no o maka samu fie ana sa akensi eba so na and also hwagro high and the PM Ghana Premier League matches no and the jao no na coach Abdul Bashiru ono le kita Hasselhoff team no after the game what did Nkomo Eja as the caretaker coach.
Another blunder from the goalkeeper, because we didn't defend well as like the last game against Kotoko. That's the problem we'll be facing. But we go back and do the homework as well.
But beyond the blunder from the goalkeeper, would you say your game was at the top level you were expecting?
Yeah, in the first half, no, but in the second half, yes, that's what I'm expecting, because if you can from the officiating, there's too much pressure on my boys, So I told them to come, to keep the ball and possess the ball. So anytime we hold the ball and play, you can see we are playing them. So I keep telling them to keep the ball and play, So it's like there is so much pressure on them.
Abdul Rahim Bashiru, assistant coach at the Marcus Football, but has any head coach in today, Onona Ayate as the caretaker coach, Rodin Kumo Ejano, na Kasim Okansi Mingle, Onona Enkano Bechem United today, on Nations Football Club, Nifi, and I was last minute goal at the Enya 1 point. Nkomoni.
It was very competitive, and we couldn't take our chances that we created. And they punished us with some error that we created at the defense. But we fought back and came to equalize.
You've been able to protect your unbeaten home run, but you must be worried that you create numerous scoring chances that could have buried the game. But your guys...
na no eno akweseda eno so 8 years aba so a Kumasi Barbara Sports Team catch the medical you was suited da Sakra Great Olympics so Accra Sports Team mo antimi kwanya mo hontino so ekobo Barbara Sports Team ne kotoko 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. The scoreline was barren. Obi no team pusu nyonko atena e was akensin Gold Stars Samates etwom 3-0 and also hwemu dia na say Alex Enso 20th minute na wanya open na e dia 65th minute na order baako etfian saka into she breeze and afi Prince Usu kwabena was share the third goal 80th minute and etfian san ba so na RTU enso e chance e ma e brekum Chelsea bitwom ka baako Patrick Kofi Ansu 51st minute and also esa goal no ho Tanobo fa kwaso transfer Legon City twemeka baako a omso Antimi anti and also Suraj Yusuf ono ana share 32nd minute goal at the momene bibia bitwema standing game baako no Accra Lions nkranjata womu any instrataman and the akense ne betia boso ana afen so kwa no share so mam se kwando out of France mediama e pia dia share distance mediama eko Africa na afen so kwa no Carolina United and so Dreams so called Confederations Cup no ye pia e dia share afofra and also mbepam no obonsi na share ECL ko ye beko Patrick Osajman countryman sungo but yanko week 15 table no so na afi hwesa na niama ECL ko e won hihia wodo etfensa PP no Adriana Stars on that first with 27 points. Samates the second with 26 points. Brekum Chelsea at the third with 26 points. Nations at that fourth with 24 points. Instrataman at the fifth with 24 points. Bechem United at sixth with 23 points. Kumasi Asante Kotoko at seventh with 23 points. And Afi Legon City at the eighth with 21 points. Now Afi Accra Hearts of Oak at the ninth with just 17 points. Now, for 10th, no, Great Olympics 17 points. Mediama at 11th with 16 points. So, our standing games, Bibroa, as with me editing time. So, now, for Bofua, at 12th with 16 points. Accra Lions at 13th for 16 points. Bibiani Gold Stars at 14th with 15 points. Now, for Carolina United, and so at 15th with 15 points. Uber teams are out of relegation. Ghana Mampenika CMFA League this year. Women about relegation. Dreams at 16th with 14 points. Return United at 17th with 14 points. Now, 18th no Accra Lions Heart of Lions the Boboleji Boys one at the 18th position with just 8 points omo an area aswatis makuma ko be se dunsia no e dey so mapampa so man fa ke shire kura anka ho e honom ti ne abano no yenko Patrick Sagement country monsoon go ho na no ada behwe 9 lessons and carol na hwe se na bema ebu dambalis na later obefrem aka chem se ne semabu na se otim sampa performance no too much e was na nema esi e koso. Hello Patrick.
Yeah, no water can quench up the fire. But me go upon this when you are in the spirit. I mean, yes.
Spirit no take over.
Yes, no water. When you are in the spirit, you understand.
Now,
of course. I mean, but after the performance, then we told him the normal no. Also, they. Okola only na no go kasante temesi. Let's have it be back from. You understand? Yeah, we who say dia ebisi ya kabwasam. It's no better about the who say basala who police so ya dia obema chance kura. So it was fun. It was fun though. I mean, my first time on the bar and it was really fun and at least, I mean, team in our boy, Jumama, BBI come up, which I mean, I really enjoyed it, and I'm happy for Omo Mobile, I mean, on Sena auditorium one I my Bob pay so to say Omo Kofi, no, Omo the BB coin, Omo the energy be a coin, indeed. Adom TV there, Azoye.
Thank you.
Understand?
Thank you.
Fantastic. Professor Na. As a folk, me take, on blasters, but quick one. Now we can't league, As a folk coach, send you will see, answer a question, and you do with my coach has. You understand? Another blunder from the goalkeeper. What single out in goalkeeper as a coach, as a professional coach? Yes, Jama analyst, any supporters, omun single out the coach, the player, and I say obi awanya but if he's a coach there, no matter the situation, no defend the player. Now, who send you have seen naka. Where do you want me fan coach here? I mean, say, offer microphone, another blunder from the goalkeeper. One of keeper another goal post him. Apart from say a goalkeeper trainer recommending said during training time or on the yard there in the match and also on the dano. Who coaching is who training grounds or who so yard there. It who coaching you can also blame you because on a selection. It goalkeeper your blunder. Yes, you need to talk about it or see a can once but you should leave it for supporters and analysts. Now coach there first year person we be a goalkeeper. Another blunder. Now who coach in a course say goes bibliama. Say sometimes we beat many one go beer also bon by. Now would be a game, sometimes a game in Anna goes bed flow bibli. But who coach in Usia no one that's all a caretaker. A big club like us of big coach. Coach and I mudo. Coach are Utums and the clouds no Pia. It means opponent to cry. And my players no crowd say yes, you could have coach or only the HSA or son. The cloud would only away. You understand? But the new coach will be in and one straightforward, another blunder from goalkeeper. You own our condemn goalkeeper no straightforward. Now just here the troubles in our keeper no. Now who coach I was selecting a year or tactics. You understand? Eti mame fair non to maybe blasters. Sports minister, football people, and a Ghana for. You put about 3 weeks. I can't bet 3 weeks near Costa Afcon African Cup now can.
Okay.
Now we can say Kudus. Kudus. Ni goes anu jawo abruchiri won fa Ghana. Enyo woma Kudus mo ya de na players be na omo ya de ti say Kudus mo a omo de ka ho amu de passes na ba. We West Ham team now wo hwe passes ne ba. Uti ase okay. Uti the move ko bo shot to share. It is a who could have blasters coach. Onya the onim selection. obede na watimi di players papa ba on board ama passes na ba me ehu ye strikers ye ni coach ne de ko afcon no ye wo coach bo onye coach onya de iti Ghana for any sports minister any football people coach Chris Hilton na nya de obitima boy o African Cup
okay
okay wo de 1 PM to us wo fire for fire
okay Medase pa. Okay. Patrick Osajman, countryman Sungu, and Atene Kasegana, Yeni coach, Kingdom Heba, and a Kingdom Home Estate in a touch. Rubitia from 0536149961. Now, only Matthew said in South Sudan Facebook. Game per games, woman the church from Quentin San Bar with the bank, but more than that sort of Rubitia San Jim, star 946 hash, now fe Omabwa, and also wait me Disikapudu, Eddie Assistant, Usika Juti Honsem. Within the Profiki Wallace, a good catch back pay. We do be see Madawasi, Sister Sandy be a guy, Yadoma. But then come more there, you may ham and a bro in terms of entertainment. You're gonna have entertainment headmistress back up. I just say, be a the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.